Let's see if there's enough juice in the battery to restart. Nope. Nope. Guess not. This little part of the video here, this is kind of a little blooper thing I've added with trying to start this diesel generator. And you know, the first one here I was using it with the electric start, which is the one you've seen, which is actually the second part of the actual video when I took this. This is the actual beginning, what was supposed to be the start of it, because in this one I'm doing the recoil start, trying to start it manually because the battery was dead on it, hence the reason I saw me using jumper cables earlier in the video trying to do the electric start. But anyway, I didn't realize the whole time I was trying to start this that I had the fuel valve shut off, which is actually what you see me realize when I was electrically starting it, why it wouldn't start. The fuel valve was off the whole time. And anyway, the other thing is with these diesel generators, they are difficult to start with the recoil starter because you got to use that decompression lever and you got to build up inertia turning that engine over so it'll fire. And if that thing catches or doesn't release properly, it'll yank back on you really hard. And you're going to see that a couple of times here. In fact, you'll probably see me doing it here a few times. So let me be quiet so you can watch this blooper and just get the video going. Thing is getting enough momentum to start. Okay, so it wasn't as easy to start as last time. Almost went there and decided to pull me in too. That's if it will come up when I want it to. Yeah, I was going to start that time. It was going to start. Oh, God, this thing really pulled. I can get a little electric start. Jeez, that really... Okay, definitely not as easy. Come on, you son of a bitch. God damn, that thing yanks. Kind of wants to go. It kind of wants to take my arm off too. doesn't come up when it needs to. Public frustration. You can really get a good pull on it, but then the lever does not want to pop up to start it. Damn it. Why can't it do it when it needs to? Alright, that's it. We're going to charge the battery and electric start it.